We're going to them.
Okay. Where are we going?
They're meant to go to us, but we're going to them. So let's switch up a little bit.
Mix things up.
Let's mix them. Yeah, let's mix it up. Mine's on a full automatic. That's not good. I wish it was.
What gun is this?
G36C. Oh, I don't like that. Wild cannon. No, that's not good for the camera, is it? I'll keep it. No, I don't like it.
It's a hard shot.
Yeah, it's better. So much
Let me
better.
see the hard shot.
Let's
try to shoot damage pretty hard as well. We were shooting pretty hard. We're not good at the big windows. Come up behind. Flank round the sides. Come in the sides. I'll be on there at the
Oh,
start.
oh,
They'll all be gathering up in there. We'll flank round the sides.
Because Hal seriously wants that spot. I know he
Do you
does.
want to leave a
Like he was
couple of-
constantly there.
This time they
want us to leave a
three
couple
guys
of
do the
people
defense. No one can go around behind us. Okay.
Yeah. So let's sort of make a line if we can in the middle.
Here.
So you guys go. So you guys, if you want.
Juggernaut.
Juggernauts.
Juggernaut. Yeah, go.
No wait. Name.
Not a good idea. Safety, please.
Do this.
They will stay behind and we they will stay behind and we go top. Because someone else was last match. They
Everyone there.
behind us.
Okay, wait.
They made your flank around the sides again.
Wait, left to right.
I've got perfect here.
Alright.
The thing about this, those bunch off this.
Yeah.
Game on.
Game on!
Come on.
Let's go, go, go! We're going this way. This is good. Harry, yeah. It's good, it's good.
Hey, come on this way. Anyone?
Nope.
Anyone?
They must be flanking somewhere. I don't know where they are.
There. Anyone?
No?
Try the macaron this way. Give it.
Alright, should we move? Yeah, they're going around left.
No, come on.
We hit.
There. Okay, you hold me down.
Through the little gap, I saw someone walk past.
Give us a wee peek.
Yeah, Rex is standing there with like a mounted gun there.
Man!
Shit!
Rex! Where's that coming from?
Rex.
Front right here. Rex!
What? Where are we being shot from? Guys, we need to push. No. Wait, they're trying to play defense. We need to push up. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. We've got Matthew up there, so I think we have to go around to the left.
No, they're all down back there.
Alright.
Cover. Go.
Guys, you're gonna do fire around here. I'm fucking it. Oh, sorry.
Did you just shoot or something?
I just shot the wrong guy. Fuck these corners. Alright, hands, yes! Yes, we got this covered.
I got that up there.
Ah! Hit! Ah! Hit! I'm hit. Hit! Ah! Ah! Harvey! Ah! Hit! Coming through! Oh. Oh, my hand.
No shot.
Hurry! I just got shot-ish. Oh. Back! Yeah! Oh! Ah, hit! Oh,
Come on.
damn. Good shot. Good hit. I'm hit. Good hit. Good hit. Come on. Okay, right. Good. Keep suppressing fire! Come on!
Hey!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Nathan! Nathan, it's Nathan. Get in there!
Who is that?
Nathan!
Yeah, I got him.
I so got him.
Yeah, I got him.
Right now, I'm having a gunfight with him. God damn, don't shoot me, please. Nathan was there. I don't know if he's still there. I'm gonna move, right? Right, Nathan. Oh, that was close. Yes.
Let's go. Right, where should we go?
Down there is a long corridor and then a... Yeah. I hate this little bit. It's a corridor and a corner. I'll get in between there.
What?
I'll get in between there. I can't shoot anything. Oh. Oh! Shit, move! Move back! Oh! Oh, back! Oh! Oh! Get the foot back! They pushed forward so hard, oh my god! Right. Get in here! Oh, help! No, it's not help. Who is that? Right in that little gap. Careful, don't shoot anyone. Right, I'm gonna go in. Oh my god. Right, I'm going. Yeah, Nathan. I got hit, see, I'm hit. Hit! My god, what's going on there? Ah! Hit! Ah! 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 The corner! Ah, my leg! What the hell's going on? What's going on? Yeah. Oh, my leg! Oh, my leg! Oh, my leg!
Let's get in the water!
Now Matthew, you alright?
Yeah.
Oh, my leg. Right. Medic! Alright.
What was that?
I tripped.
Somebody face, bastard.
Don't shoot me. I will shoot you.
Who's that? Who's that? Yeah, yeah, it's what's his name? I don't know where he's at. I don't know, he's in tracksuit. He keeps popping up. Yeah, he's shooting at us, I can see it. Oh no.
Guys, everyone stand back by the spray, okay? 3, 2, 1.
Not good for them. Yeah, you can. Who's there? Who's there?
Cover this way, cover this way.
Oh, I can't get anywhere near them. Alright,
Hey,
who's
come on this way, come on this way.
Shit. Yeah. Here.